We're the voice of the Midwest. 570 WNAX.
Hey, this is John with the Law Enforcement Torture, and I'm inviting you to Vermilion Polar Plunge Saturday, February 23rd. Registration begins at 2 p.m. with the plunge at 3 p.m. All of the proceeds goes to Special Olympics. Once again, Saturday, February 23rd at 2 p.m. Polar Plunge. Check us out on Facebook, Vermilion Polar Plunge. To register, you can check us out on Facebook at Vermilion Polar Plunge or www.plungesd.org. Thank you, and be having freezing for a reason.
It's your dream vacation. Make plans to go with us on an Alaskan cruise. This is a deluxe 8-day inside passage cruise that takes you to the Hubbard Glacier, Skagway, Juneau, Icy Strait Point, Sawyer Glacier, and Ketchikan. You'll fly into Anchorage, board the ship at Seward, and finish up at Vancouver. When you cruise with us, you get more than just a boat ride. Choose between land or train excursions, including 2 nights in Denali. That's before you even get on the ship. Find details at WNAXtrips.com.
With your WNAX News Update, I'm Tom Ryder. A discussion at the Yankton County Commission meeting Tuesday night over planning and zoning turned into a loud argument over access to the county government center and public documents.
No, you're done. Sit down.
No, I'm not done.
Denise.
I am not done.
Please.
That was discussed between Pat and Joe. I was never in that conversation.
I'm going to have you removed. Please sit down.
Several livestock producers said they were told they were banned from the county government center and could not talk to zoning administrator Pat Garrity. Commission chairman Dan Klimisch says that they will follow up.
We're going to investigate behavior. There are some allegations that there's potentially some illegal zoning and planning meetings taking place in the county. We don't know for sure yet, but that's something we're going to look into.
Allegations were made that the bans were put in place by Klimisch and Commissioner Joe Healy. Klimisch denied that.
That's absolutely false. I'm not calling them liars, but I'm saying what they're saying is the exact opposite of the truth. That never happened. It's fabrication by, again, a small minority of people who really want to see the commission fail, and I think that's unfortunate.
Klimisch says Commissioners Don Kettering and Sherry Loest, along with State's Attorney Rob Klimisch, will look into the situation. Another trial starting date's been set for a 19-year-old in northwest Iowa accused of stabbing to death his ex-girlfriend and another young man. Woodbury County District Court records say prosecution and defense attorneys requested another delay in the trial of Fran Walker. The trial had been set to begin Tuesday. New starting date is April 30th. And the weather Thursday, partly sunny with a high of 25. Thursday night, cloudy, chance of snow, low 17. Cloudy, snow likely Friday, high of 32 with 2 inches possible. Snow likely Friday night, low of 18, 1 inch possible. Saturday, patchy blowing snow, high 26. That's your WNAX News Update.
CBS News Update. 2 brothers questioned about the alleged attack on Jussie Smollett, who police say helped him stage it, have testified before a grand jury.